Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to a new video, and today I would like to show you the new Spire MTL Borrow RBA by Cthulhu. Let's have a look. Yeah, there's a little bit on, scratch code will not show the backside. Yeah, this comes in this, carton thing here. Presentation so far so good. We have spares, we have a screwdriver, post screws, O-rings, gaskets, etc. This is an RBA and comes with a borrow tank. It's the Kraken borrow tank, which you can also buy separately. I think I also have a separate one. And the RBA itself does also fit in other borrow tanks. I also used it in the snail tank version 2, for example. And some tech specs. I mean, Cthulhu, we are all fans of Cthulhu, actually. My old Cthulhu IO, which I really absolutely like. And here we've got an RBA, which comes, what is the delivery content? We're going to have a look. It's the RBA, it's the borrow tank, it's 4 airflow pins. It's a 1.0, a 1.2, a 1.4, and a 1.8. So it is definitely MTL. We have 2 chimneys, a flat chimney and a dome chimney. And yeah, so far, so good. We have stainless steel 316. Standard bottom airflow, all pretty. We'll show you everything. Here are the pins I am actually not using, but we will have a closer look to everything when I break apart everything. So here, this is the Kraken borrow tank. It has here 2 sides, one with these small 2 holes and one with this broad side. So just check out how you want to put it in and how you need it. And from the side here, this big slots, one side airflow fill, here O-ring inside, here metal part inside. Works fine, works good. Bottom, you can put in the RBA here from the bottom. You will have excess from the bottom. That all works fine. Maybe beside one thing, which I always have a little bit of a problem, because the deck itself is a little bit, in my opinion, a little bit too strong here. So it's not so easy to have this bottom access. And I always ask myself, why? Because we know this from so many years from the steam shell and the vape snail, and from Atmi so many things. It's not a problem to make it like this. And here, now it's working, but that is not working all the time. Just to tell you, this, in my opinion, could be a little bit better. Chimney itself here, O-ring is fine, and here we've got the 2 chambers. So we've got the dome and we've got the smaller one. Play around with it. Both are definitely capable of doing MTL vaping. I find myself a little bit more comfortable with the dome shaped. It has a slightly better throated, but both are working very good. Probably first from the bottom part, how to change the air pin. That works pretty easy. Just the pins, and there is one, as you can see, also one niggle I have, because the positive pin is pretty much jumping around when you are changing the sometimes it holds, sometimes not, depending if there is some liquid here in the insulator. But at the end it works fine. Just take care of the positive pin, because it can jump around. Then we're gonna throw this back in. Just make it tight. And then we're gonna see the deck. Yeah, this is pretty easy. This is pretty nice. We've got big Phillips screws with clamps on the side, a little bit of Kaifun style. We've got a protruding airflow pin, which is also pretty nice. And we've got large cotton areas, choose areas. And there is, as you can see, there an area and even more an inside area where the liquid holes are. And the liquid holes also have a nut from here. So when everything is sitting tight here on the socket of your borrow tank, there are the liquid flow holes on the side. And this is something which works really excellent. This is a good design. The cotton stays completely inside the chamber, and you can really have the last drop of your e-juice in your borrow tank. Yeah, this is a good design, and this is working really flawlessly. Yeah, easy and not so much to talk about, because this is something we know from other RBAs, but it is made really nice and good. So here, screwdriver, the length of the screws, depending what kind of wire you are using, I think you can see not a problem. Really good. Thicker wire, really good. This one works pretty good for my preferred setup, which is my 30 gauge candle wire, 5.5 reps, 2.5 millimeter ID, and I'm just checking. I'm just holding the wire a little bit. And yeah, that works really fine. Then a little bit harder, and then I can just nuggle around here with my wire, and it will normally go off. Yeah. So then I can check out my coil position. Please play around here with coil height and so on. It works pretty well, and you can play around what position you really want to have, and that works like a charm. As you can see, this is a medium position, not really low, not really high, a little bit more on the low side. So we're gonna check out if that makes a little bit more sense. Yeah, a little bit higher. Yeah. Very easy. We're gonna grab some standard cotton. So this is not a lot of cotton, but I think that works. Yeah, not a big amount, but not bad. You can also use a little bit more. And then I'm gonna design this a little bit here inside my area. And for the perfect position, I'm gonna use some e-juice. And basically, I'm putting it just down to the bottom and the rest will be pretty good. Yeah, it will find its place. Where's the chamber I want to have? It's that one. Chimney. And then putting inside the Kraken tank. I'm gonna use the side of the two smaller holes. That's fine for me. I'm gonna check that the gaskets are good from the position. Yeah, and that looks pretty fine. And I can use my Cthulhu IO. I'm using a Kaifun BB drip tip. Yeah, some issues and ready to go. Yeah, and from the first stroke, okay, it needs a little bit more liquid flow right now. Yeah, it's good. It's good. It's yeah, I mean, maybe not my absolutely top first choice ever RBA, but a good one that works really fine. And the design of the liquid flow is good, is really good. I like that. I also like that here from the Kaifun BB with the liquid flow from the very bottom. That's good. This is a good RBA. I really had no problems with. It worked fine. Flavor, throated balance, you can play around with the coil position pretty well. And yeah, it's a good one. Flavor-wise, yes, my Kaifun by BB has a little bit more flavor, yes. But it's a good one. It's not loud. Its loudness average, maybe is even a little bit more on the silent side. And draw feels smooth. Yeah, it's good. It's a good one. You should definitely check out, in my opinion. And that's also say a very quick one. So thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.